Anywho, y'all see that this is my hair. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. Hey Chili Squad, welcome back to my channel. This is such a bad angle, but I'm so excited because I got the infamous TikTok wig. I cannot. Okay, so y'all already know I got a new wig because it's holiday season. Wigs are on sale. Everything's on sale. Why not get a new wig? So I got a new wig, and this is it. I hope that's not a spider over there, but this is it. So excited. First things first, I'm not putting it on right now because it needs to get washed. So I'm about to wash it. I'll show y'all how I wash it. But it's this curly unit. This chair all over me. It's this curly unit. I'm so excited. From Aruki Hair, and it's supposed to be super natural. As y'all can see, I'm already in my protective style stage, so I moisturize my hair and then I just put this cap on because it's really cold out, and I literally just went and got this. So don't do too much, but this is super cute. I'm so excited. I literally got the notification and I ran and got it. The hair. I'm so excited over a wig, y'all. This is the last wig I'm buying for real. Y'all gonna see me wear this wig and wear it till I can't wear it no more. This is just Brazilian human hair, but yeah, this is it. Brazilian 18. Ooh, it definitely need to get washed. It stinks. Like, I can't even say it don't smell good. It stinks. But this is the hair. Take the net off. Come on. Not this fake scalp. Look at the curls. Y'all. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's already looking like how it should look. It has a little bang. So this is a full cap wig. No lace. And then it has the little fake scalp, so I could easily just put some foundation or concealer there, conceal it. I look so pasty. Oh my gosh, winter is not doing me right now. I'm about to wash this. This is how it looks straight out the pack. I'm not putting it on my head. It smells and it needs to be washed. So this is what I do. In the next clips, this is how you should prepare your wigs. You should never just wear your wig straight out the pack. It really does need to get washed, and you're about to see why in the next clip. So the first thing y'all need to do as soon as you get your wig is either boil some water, or if your sink gets really hot, use your sink's water, and you need to let it run until you see steam. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm just gonna run the water till I see some steam, because this sink gets pretty hot, so I don't have to boil water. But you really want to use like steaming hot water to really clean the wig. And so what I do is I soak it twice for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then I'll wash it. What we're about to do is soak it in the boiling water or super hot water, whichever one you prefer. But if your sink gets pretty hot, which our sink gets pretty hot, then I just use the sink, and it's quicker. So the next thing that I'll do is I have this bucket, and I'm just gonna fill it up with the steaming water. But before you do that, you need to put some soap in there. So what I do is I use the Dr. Bronner's, and I'm gonna put this in the bucket and then put the water in there. Put shampoo, whatever shampoo you use, put that in the bucket or in your sink. But our sink doesn't have the stopper, so that's why I'm using the bucket. So yeah, I'm gonna put this, y'all gonna see, put this like in there, splat, like not too much, because it's Dr. Bronner's. Dr. Bronner's is like a very strong soap. Okay, these clips always get stuck in the wig. Like, you really need to hold on. Okay, I just put the clips into the hair, into the clip part, because it's gonna get tangled in the hair. So now you just submerge, literally put it in the bucket. I can't see. Put it in the bucket. Soak it. I'm burning my hands. Soak it. Ooh, it's so hot. So soak it in the bucket. My bad. Burning my hands over here. Don't mind me. Oh, I could have put more water. Okay. Like, literally submerge it in there. Ooh, it's so hot that it burns. And when you do this, like, you're gonna smell the hair. Like, it's smelling like the hair right now. So make sure you just pat it. Whew, it's so hot. I need to get a spoon or something. I'm over here burning my hand. But yeah, just basically submerge the wig. And now it's gonna sit here for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll come back. Ooh, I'm literally burning my fingers. Okay, y'all have seen enough. This is the water from the hair after just the first wash. So this is why you should wash your wig as soon as you get it before you just put it on your head. But I went ahead and shampooed the hair. Okay, so this is the wig. I just put conditioner and a little bit of mousse. It already is like kind of puffing up low-key. So it's gonna dry right here. And then I'm going to put it on tomorrow. So the two products that I put in the hair is first this Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioning cream. And then this African Pride setting mousse. So really, those are the two products I always use on all my curly wigs. And then I'm embarrassed to show this comb. There's a lot of hair. It's the next morning, like literally it's almost 9 a.m. This is the wig. It's fully dried. This is the front. So I'm about to put it on so y'all can truly see how this looks. I haven't cut it or anything. This is my first time trying it on because I washed it yesterday. So I'm over here like, do not just put this wig on without clipping it or something, because there's no lace, so you don't want it to slide. So what I use is this wig grip, and I have everything linked down below, along with the wig, of course. And this just makes sure the wig does not slide because it's not glued or pinned down. I can't tell if this is small or what. Ooh, it's feeling a little snug. Because my edges should not be feeling no tension right now. This is a lot of hair. I didn't realize it would be given like this. Okay. Wow. So the curls are popping, as you can see. And I haven't put no foundation in that part. Fluff it out. I like it. I'm about to cut the bangs a little so I can actually see. But so far, so good. Is this doing too much or is this doing too much? I can't. Let's see, show the back. Look at this movement, y'all. Hey. Too much? No, I don't think it's too much. But we're gonna cut this a little so I can see. One thing about me, when I pay for the inches, I just hate cutting the inches because I paid to have 18 inches, you know? But this part is like, it's too long. Like, I could bring some of it to the side to kind of frame. Like, why is this one piece so long, you know? So I'm gonna cut this, because why is that so long compared to the others? I don't know how to cut, so don't tell me too much about that, but here, I'm just gonna, and then frame it. Should I cut more or no? I feel like the bangs are super puffy. One thing I like to do is, like, the first couple of days, like, I'll leave the hair kind of defined. I don't want to fluff it up too much. I feel like y'all know this is a wig. I don't know how to describe it, but should I cut more? Or do y'all think this is good? Let me try without the glasses. Yeah, you could barely see my eyes. I need to cut it and frame my face, I guess. Hold on. Y'all, I'm so scared. Like, I don't want to cut too much, you know? And then you can't go back after you cut too much off. I can barely see. Y'all can tell I'm nervous. I just need to cut the part that's, like, covering my eye a little more. Like, and then I can kind of shape what's around my face. I'm so scared to cut too much hair. I feel like that's good. What do y'all think? Did I cut too much? I hope not. Anywho. This is the hair we've dreamed of having, okay? And now I have it. Wait, this looks so natural. The only thing, I can't even see for real. Wait a minute. Not the scalp. Where the scalp at? I hope I didn't cut the wrong spot. Anywho, y'all see that this is my hair. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. With time, I'm probably gonna keep cutting, depending on how tangled. Ooh. Now I got hair all over my shirt. Man. Anywho, my body different. Oh yeah, hair everywhere now. This is really what the hair is looking like. It's really giving natural. This is really the finished look because I cut, as you can see, this scalp part is very giving fake. It's not looking natural at all. I even put concealer in the part. So I tried like flipping the hair, but I think because I put mousse in it to lay it, it's not doing what I thought it would do. But this is really the hair. Tell me if y'all think I should cut a little bit more. I didn't cut any of the hair itself. I just cut the bang because I could not see. So yeah, this is really the finished look. I feel like I should have got 16 inch. I got 18. So we're working with it. And I haven't seen the back yet. So, oh, yes. This side. Wait, hold on. That one strand need to get cut. Oh. Wait, am I grabbing the right strand? Or we can just tuck it. Cause I like the back. The back is nice. See the side. Okay, it's looking like my hair. It's just this top now. That ain't looking like my hair. So if you're taller than me, it's gonna be like, what does she have on? And oh my gosh, all this hair is making me hot. We have the heat on and I'm getting hot now. This is cute though. This is cute. I used to love them. Better in the club. In the club, can you party with the thug? Let me stop, because I have all this hair to clean up. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Ooh. Y'all, look at the hair all up in the sink. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. And it's on my desk because I was cutting my hair in there too. So tell me if y'all like this wig down in the comments. And if you're gonna get this wig, I'll have it linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, you are truly beautiful, truly blessed, and truly thriving. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, I just wanted to come on here and say I'm so excited that this is human hair. And so I've seen people do braid outs, twist outs, and then all types of natural hairstyles with this. You can even do an updo, but of course I'm not doing that today. I'm going to be treating this hair as if it's my own hair. So when I do those styles, y'all are gonna see me do the styles. And I'm also planning to do flexi rods, or not flexi rods, perm rod set. So I think that's gonna be super cute, especially because it's a lot of hair. This is 200 density hair, so this is a lot of hair. We can do a lot of styles, and we're gonna be looking good all year round. People are gonna think this is my hair because I plan to wear this all day, every day. But on top of this, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm growing my hair out, because I have a goal of making my hair sit like this on my shoulders for graduation. And as y'all know, I have 1.5 years to get there, and we're getting there by doing this. So before I did this, I didn't show my hair care routine, but under this I did my moisturizing routine, and then I just put the wig cap on and then put the wig on. So now we're treating my hair while also looking good. So this is another reason why I like wearing wigs, is because you're taking care of your hair while also looking cute, switching it up, you know. So I like this one because it's more natural. And I mean, aside from that, but maybe it looks more natural to y'all, like this fake scalp. I don't know, but I tried. So that's all I had to say about this hair. I do like it, and from what I've heard, it lasts a long time. Y'all are gonna see me styling it, wearing it, so get used to it. Don't forget, you are truly beautiful, truly blessed, and truly thriving. I'll see you in my next video.